Hold this, man. They've got me pulling the flag down, look. The kite. Showing the kite up there. I thought I was on holiday. And now I'm working. I do a good job. Do a good job.
Good job.
Good job, yeah. Free breakfast in the morning.
Free breakfast and free lunch.
I was off to the bar for a drink and they stopped me. What are you doing there? Have a look over there.
Make a new kit. Make
new kite. Show.
Make a kite.
Yeah, I'll put this on YouTube. See? When the kite comes down, it'll be
Nón to nghe không ạ?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Here it comes. A professional now.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
Well done.
Right, I'll go for food. See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Or see you later.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. Nothing to say? Okay, bye-bye. Oh, steady, steady. Hello. Hello. Oh, you want to say hello? You're the boss lady. Oh, my favourite dog. Hello, hello.
Mina.
I'll just make video of the kite coming down.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? $10.
The breakfast tomorrow, same.
Same.
Yeah, banana pancakes, very good.
Banana pancake and tea and
Yes, cup of tea and fruit.
yeah.
And tomorrow I'll get up nice and early, 7 o'clock.
Early?
Yes,
Not
yeah.
not
No,
8 o'clock?
today I fell asleep. Okay.
Yeah.
You're not
Oh,
shy. I miss them.
No.
No, them. Beautiful. Yeah, that's me accommodation. Another Airbnb. This one's about 40 quid. It's good, isn't it? Gonna walk down here. Get some food. There you go, that's the waterfall. Canto Lampo. Canto Lampo. Right, so here we are, another day in Bali, and still in Ubud somewhere, and going to Waterfall. And the sun's out today, so that's good, isn't it? So I've got my hat on. But my driver's stayed up there today, so I'm on my own. I ain't got a clue where I'm going. Oh, luckily, signpost, waterfall. So here we go. Oh, the steep hill here.
Bring up more English. Bring up.
You know, when you walk, you connect with nature.
Oh, ticket.
And
I don't know where I'll put it. I'll just pay. Do you want to see? Have you got to see my ticket?
Yeah, you need a ticket.
I'll just pay. I don't know where I put it.
I also thought that it's just I paid.
Why didn't they
and
tell
it's
me to
okay,
keep
but
the
no.
ticket?
Checking. Yeah. Have a good day.
No, I've not got it. Hold on.
No, ce l'ha, ma
Oh. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Very good, very good. Well, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's really busy already. Let's go and have a look. Pretty thick.
Mai, ciao.
It's weird. He's gonna do a tattoo, doesn't he? Real apple. It's so cute,
해가지고 딱 모아가지고 가서 산로 와서 뒤에 빨리 하면 되니까.
대감님. Wow, and that's a backdrop. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why he wants someone to come to the cave. Bought some crisps. Never seen nothing like these. They're sticky, spicy, sticky. Good. And Coca-Cola. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, just on our way to somewhere, and look at the view here. I just said, "Go, can you stop?" Look at that. Got all this. Very good. But that's what I like, the temple up there. Look.
Take it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Tadi kan agak samping nih. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes,
Ooh.
Ya, teman. Ya.
Okay, thank you. I'll sit there. Hello. Thank you.
Ayam digores.
Curry?
Yeah.
Right.
And then
Oh, okay.
it's, I think front roll, right?
Prawn ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
enjoy,
Okay, thank you. Looks good, doesn't it? Prawn balls? They're more like pork spring rolls, but that'll do. Bit of sauce. Cheers, everyone. Very good. Let's try this. They call it prawn ball, more like a prawn spring roll. Very good. I don't know what else is in here. Could be some vegetable or something. Balinese special curry. Very good. You see that carrying around her head? Done? Where do I go now? Over there? Just walk over there. Thank you. There you go, so you come up on one of these shuttle buses, pay 75,000 or 70,000, then you get one of these strongs on, and then I don't know what we do then. And there it is, I think. This is Heaven's Gate, which I've come 2 hours for to go and have a look.
Yeah. So off your ticket. Ticket please.
Ticket.
Yeah.
Can I sit down?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Sorry. There you go, they're paying a lot of money for this. I've just got it all to myself. 3 hour wait if you want your photo took. Then you have to choreograph all your poses. I don't know what's over there, I can't even see.
218, 219, 219, 220, 221, 222.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to walk up there more as well, anyway. Let's go and have a look.
Number 222, 222, 223.
Right, so that's about it. That's Heaven's Gate done and dusted. But I'll definitely come here, it's well worth a visit. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go back.
Eh?
Go back now?
I don't know, but I'll have a look around.
Okay, please.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good.
Okay.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for visiting. Thank you.
How far? How far?
2 kilometers.
2 kilometres?
Yes.
How much? How much?
20,000. 20,000. To the second temple.
And then 20,000 come back?
40 come back.
Okay. 20.
Yeah. 20 just one way. If you want. Let's go.
Hold on, let me sit down first. Wow, big hill. I don't know what he's doing, maybe that was good, wasn't it? That was pretty good, that was. 20,000. I've worked it out, I think that's about 40 pence. There you go, I'll go and have a look anyway. That's a nice little temple. That's what I've come up on the bike for. Let's go and have a look over here. Oh.
C'est les mêmes singes qu'on avait vus?
On dirait, ouais.
C'est-à-dire qu'on avait vu. Ben. Ah oui, à Ubud.
Oh, it's hot. Today is really hot and muggy and sweaty. But yesterday and the day before it was like really cloudy. But anyway, that's good, isn't it? That was good, just got on the last bus. And there's the driver. Oh, I love this little journey on the bus. Anyway, that's today. Heaven's Gate done. Then you have to be YouTube account so you can subscribe. Very good service. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, see you next time.
Oh,
Color like this.
and that's coffee bean.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's the coffee bean. The red color is ready to harvesting. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this one we'll pick the coffee. We do the hand picking like this, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
And then this one, this is we fill the skin, and they have a coffee bean inside the red color. This is the white.
Oh, wow.
color. The white color, yeah, like this. But now for the coffee, this one is not the smell yet. But this is we need the dry first under the sun, and then after that, this one we roast it until the become color. This the black color.
Okay.
And then after they roast it, the smell coffee come out. Yes. Yeah. And this one, that's the coffee flower. Yeah, this is the flower coffee.
Oh,
This is
so that's
the human. They should be
vanilla.
the follow it the vanilla first, and then vanilla is they come out with the flower, and there's the flower has the they come out with the flower and success pollinate, and then they get a pot. Yeah,
Wow.
this is vanilla. Is
Oh,
similar
okay.
with
Yes.
the orchid flower. And then this is the fruit also called ginseng. Yeah, this is the ginseng.
Ginseng.
That very famous in Korea or China. The brown color.
He's scared. What is it then? What's it called?
Luwak or
Luwak.
luwak. Yeah, in Bali we call it luwak. By the English, just the seabed or mongoose.
A mongoose.
That's a mongoose. Yeah. Now they're lazy animal.
Are you a mongoose?
Hello, Brown.
You look like a dog. Hello, doggy.
You seem look like a possum.
She just said, would I like a cup of tea? So I'm going to try these, and there they are, look. Let me get this right. Ginger, lemongrass, rosella, mangosteen, herbal tea with turmeric. Oh, sorry. Red ginger tea and pandan tea. Very good. Which one first? I'll try one of this first. Oh, ginger. I like ginger tea. I have ginger at home.
Spicy. Spicy ginger.
Oh. Anyway, I'm going to get on with my tea. There you go, what a view that is. Yeah, she tried to give me the sales pitch after, buy all these tea bags and all that. Or, oh well, not tea bags, it's ground up tea, isn't it? But it worked out to £10, 10 English pound. Oh, lots of monkeys. They bite. No, yesterday I go to Monkey Forest and he's on here. Well, I've only come out the car to have a look at the view and surrounded by monkeys. forgot to look at the view. I got distracted by the monkeys.